The most important questions of mathematics in algebra. Question number 1. If x equal 3 and x times y equal 1, then y equal 1 over 3, because 3 times 1 over 3 it will be 1. 3 product by 1 over 3 it will be 1. Then the value of y it will be 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Okay. Next question number 2. If 1, 2, x are proportional, then x equal. We have 1 over 2 equal 2 over x. Then the value of x equal 2 times 2, 4. 4 over 1, it will be 4. Then the value of x will be equal 4. Question number 3. If number of Cartesian product about x and y equal 5, then number of x may be equal space. May be equal 1, because 1 times 5 equal 5. He give us number of Cartesian product x and y was 5. Then maybe number of elements in x it will be 1, because 1 times 5 equal 5. N will be number of element in x it will be 5 or 1. So we must choose 1. Maybe equal 1. Letter E. Choose letter E. Question number 4. Number 4. If 2 power x equal 8, he won't find x power 2. First, we know 2 power x equal 8. 8 here was equal to power 3. And we have two bases are equalities, then the power x equal 3. Then the value of x here equal 3. Then he won't find x power 2. It will be 3 power 2. It will be 9. Then the result here it will be 9. Question number 5. 25% of the number 20 equal what? He give us the number 25 of the number 20 equal what? 25, it's meaning percent. 25%, it's mean 25 over 100. Product by a number 20, we can cancel 0 by 0, and 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 10 divided by 2 it will be 5. 25 divided by 5 equal 5. Then the result will be 5. Question number 6. The range for the sets. We can find the range. Maximum subtract by minimum. Range will be equal 9 minus 1 equal 8. Question 7. Question number 2 here. Okay, next. Question number 2 now. Represent graphically the curve of the function. He gives us a function here, f of x equal x power 2. F of x was equal x power 2 plus 2x plus 3, and x was pointing to the closed interval from -4 and 2. You can draw the tables here and divided it a lot of parts. Write x and f of x. Put x first here, coming from -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And then find the image from this function. Put x equal -4 here. If of -4 equal -4 power 2, it will be 16. Plus 2 times -4, it will be -8. But here 3. The result will be 16 minus 8 equal 8. 8 plus 3 equal 11. The image here will be 11. And then if of -3, put -3 here, it will be 9. And -3 times 2, it will be -6 plus 3. 9 minus 6 equal 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. But x equal -2 power 2, it will be 4. -2 times 2, it will be -4 plus 3. It will be 3. The image here 3. Put x equal -1. -1 power 2, it will be 1. -1 times 2, it will be -2 plus 3. 1 minus 2 equal -1. -1 plus 3, it will be 2. Here. And then put 0. F of 0 to find the image in this function. 0 plus 0 plus 3, it will be 3. It was repeating again. Here, -1 and 2 is the vertex, 6 and 11. Okay. Then we have here the vertex about this function. It will be -1 and 2. And then you can draw x-axis and y-axis here from -4, -3, -2, -1, 1, 2, 3, 4. The image about -4, it will be 11. We have 11 here. -3 to 6. -2 to 3. -1, 2. 0 and 3. 1 and 6, 2 and 11. Okay, and then you can draw this curve. Okay, and we have line symmetry. The line symmetry here -1 and 2. Line symmetry will be equal -1, and minimum value of minimum, it will be equal to here. Understood? Question letter B. If x equal set of x equal -1 and 0 and 1, and our relation on x such that a relation with b means a plus b equals 0, we can find the relation. First order here -1 and 1, and 0 by 0, and 1 -1. Okay, again 1 -1. Okay, stop, we haven't another again. And then we can draw our diagram about this function. Here we have here x, and put the point here -1 and 0 and 1, and then you can draw the arrow here from 0 to itself. 0 plus 0 equals 0, -1 plus 1, and 1 plus -1 equals 0. Then are the function, or here the function, because every element in x has only one image in another set. Okay, it's a function because each element in x has only, or every element in it has only one image in x. Okay, next question. Question number 3. If x equal 137, you want to find y Cartesian product with x. We have set of y was equal 2 and 5. Cartesian product with what x equal 1, 3, and 7. You can write first order 2 with 1, and 2 by 3, 2 by 7, and then 5 by 1, 5 by 3, 5 by 7. Okay, understood this function? No, this function we have the relation Cartesian product between y and x, and then you can write Cartesian dot y and y by itself. Y equal to 5, Cartesian product is 2 and 5. We can write the first here 2 is 2, 2 is 5, 5 is 2, and 5 is 5. And then number of y or x2, we have 3 elements in x, then in x2 it will be 9. Result here it will be 9. Next question, question letter P. If x over y was equal 3, then x equal 3y. We can find the value about is ratio x plus y over y. X was equal 3y plus y was y here, and write y, then 3y plus y will be 4y over y. The result will be 4. Question number 2. You want to find the value of 2x plus 3y over 3x plus 2y. Put x equal 3y here. 2 times 3 it will be 6y here, plus 3y over 3x. 3 times 3 it will be 9y plus 2y. 6 plus 3 equal 9, 9y over 9 plus 2 equal 11y. Cancel them, the result will be 9 over 11. 9 over 11. Okay. Question number 4, letter A. We have direct inversely between x and y. then x equal m product by y, and m not equal 0, it's constant. When y was 7 and x equal 1, then constant m equal 1 over 7. Then we can write x equal, put m equal 1 over 7 here, product by y. Then the relation between x and y, x equal, or you can write y equal 7x, okay? You can write x equal y over 7, or you can write y equal 7x. It's a relation between them. Okay, again, you give us y was 7 and x 1, then m 1 over 7 is constant, and then you can write the relation x equal y over 7 or y equal 7x. And then he won't find x when y at y equal 14. Put y equal 14 to find x. Then x will be equal, put 14 here, 14 over 7, it will be equal to, then the value of x, it will be equal 2. Question letter B, calculate standard division. You can solve this by find x bar first step. We can find x bar, sum of all elements divided by number of elements. Here we have 13 plus 17 plus 11 plus 19 plus 15. Okay, you can find the result, divided 1 2 3 4 5, and then draw the tables here. Write x and x, subtract x bar and subtract x bar power 2, and then find the sum of all results here, summation, and write the sigma square root of summation of x subtract x bar power 2 divided by number of elements by using calculator. Okay, it's easy for you, you can find the result. It's a famous question. Question number 5, letter A. If s varies inversely with y, with n, okay, s varies inversely with n, it's meaning s varies inversely with n. It will be s equal m over n when m not equal 0, it's constant. And then s equal 1, put s equal 1 here. When n equal 1, then m constant will be 1. Find the relation, put m equal 1 here, then s equal 1 over n. It's a relation between s and n. And then find s when n equal to at n equal 2, then s will be 1 over 2. We have the relation here between s and n. S equal 1 over n. At n equal 2, then s equal 1 over 2. Last question, letter B. If x over 2 was y over 3 equals z over 4, we can write here constant, and constant here not equal 0, then x equal 2m, and y equal 3m, and z will be equal 4m. Then he won't find the value about this expression, 2x plus 3y plus 4z over y. Prove that this ratio equal 29 over 3. Put here x equal 2m, 2x, 2 times the value of x 2m will be 4m, plus 3 times y, y equal 3m, 3 times 3 equal 9, 4 times z, 4 times 4 equals 16m over y, y equal 3m, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 16 equal 23, 29 over 3, cancel m by m, then the result will be 29 over 3. It's exactly the result.